Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can use LangChain and OpenAI to query SQL databases using natural language. We will also see a quick demo using a Streamlit app. Here, we will discuss two approaches available in LangChain. So, let us go through this Jupyter notebook to understand more. First of all, we will use create SQL query chain. This creates a chain that generates SQL queries using the input text which we will pass. So basically this convert the input query which we will give in English into a SQL query. So first of all, let us import the required libraries. Then we will establish a connection with the MySQL database. Then we can create a chain using the LLM and database connection. Now we can try asking some questions. So first of all, we have asked, what is the age of Bob Johnson? So now let us see what is the response. So this is the response. So basically, this chain converted this input text into a SQL query. Now let us try running this SQL query. So it says 35. Now let us confirm this answer in the actual table available in the database. So Bob Johnson's age is 35. So it has answered correctly. Now let us try another question. What is the salary of John Doe? Now let us check the response. So it says 50,000. So now let's confirm. So we can see here that the salary of John Doe is 50,000. Now let us talk about agents. LangChain's SQL agent offers a flexible interaction with SQL databases. Advantages of the SQL agent include answering questions based on database schema and content, error recovery, multiple queries for user questions, and token saving by retrieving relevant table schemas. Initialization involves using the create SQL agent constructor, utilizing the SQL database toolkit for query creation, execution, syntax checking, and table description retrieval. So now let's import the create SQL agent. And also let us create an instance of chat OpenAI. Now let's call the create SQL agent using the LLM, the database connection, and we'll set the agent type as OpenAI tools. And we'll set the verbose is equal to true so that we can see the step-by-step processing of the query execution. So now let's run this cell. Now let us ask a question. So first of all, we'll ask in which department Alice Brown works. So as you can see, as we have set the verbose true, we can see the step-by-step execution of the query. So it says Alice Brown works in the HR department. So the cell is still running. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now we can check the result. So our question was in which department Alice Brown works, and the output is Alice Brown works in the HR department. Now let's confirm the answer in the table. So as we can see, Alice Brown and the department is HR. So the answer is correct. Now let's try asking another question. What is the age of Emily Davis? What is the age of Emily Davis? Let's wait for a few seconds. Now let's see the result. So our question was, what is the age of Emily Davis? And the output is the age of Emily Davis is 29. Let's confirm this answer. So here Emily Davis and the age is 29. So the answer is perfectly correct. Now let us see a quick demo on this Streamlit app. So let's ask a question here. So our question is, what is the salary of John Doe? So now let's click on the submit button. It might take a few seconds to give the output. So it says the salary of John Doe is $50,000. Now let's ask another question. What is the age of Emily Davis? Now let's click on the submit button. So it says the age of Emily Davis is 29. So that's all for this video. I'll be uploading the code in the description. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.